Go.
Okay, hi, people. We're making a volcano. It's a bit of a mess, but
Yeah.
don't try this at home.
No. You know we're doing this at home.
Yeah, we're showing you an example. Showing you action. Wait, let's do it at the exact same time. See what happens.
Oh yes. Oh my god.
Yeah, this is a lot.
This is a mess. Wait, let me get the activator.
Bring the dish soap in now, okay?
Oh. What's an activator?
The stuff we use for slime.
Yes.
Wait, let's make slime. No, let's just do activator. We're going to grab the activator. Sure, this is fine. This is exactly what we need. Is Armor's magical liquid. Usually we would add glue to it, but right now we're adding this to whatchamacallit?
Okay. It's black.
Here. Hold this.
I can't.
Hold this. Okay, we have that.
Go. Woo! Woo! More. You need the biggest illusion. I took the step. No.
Oh my gosh.
We're making it thick.
Okay, that should be enough. We only have a little bit left.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my! No! Someone should it be on this?
What?
This. Someone's thinking.
Oh no! It's fine.
Is it still recording?
It's fine.
Someone!
It's fine. We can't do anything about it.
Yes, we can. We can clean it up. Well, we get in trouble. Someone!
No, we won't. It's an experiment.
It's not.
This is turning out to be a massive explosion.
I threw the spoon.
Oh
Okay, I'm gonna have a really good experiment. It's best.
Okay. More baking soda.
Yeah.
Just pour.
With some green. Pour.
Some red.
Okay. Some green. Baking soda. Woo! Okay, pour. This is the biggest mess we made.
I
Oh my god! It's so much shit!
Okay, now we have to clean this up.
How? It's an experiment, lady. I told you. Now we're out. Oh yeah. That would have been so baking soda.
Yeah. Are you okay? You okay? You okay?
Is that a video? Okay, guys, I'm gonna blow and see what happens.
This is a crazy experiment.
Okay, now let's go jump on trampoline.
Bruh. Oh my gosh. I'm coming! I'm recording this all on camera! Hold on, guys. This is the best way to get them. They're so foul.
Oh my! Okay, guys, over there. Yeah, that's a mess. Yeah, but we're gonna tell we didn't do
Yes, this is all being recorded. I'm gonna die of laughter. I'm gonna die of laughter. Do not. Don't!
What is up, baby?
This is crazy. I'm gonna go check on the experiment, okay? I'm going back over to check on the experiment, guys.
You done, dear?
Yeah, I think we already did the explosion.
Wow.
No.
No.
Kind of blew up all over the volcano.
Yeah. We may have accidentally went a little bit too far. Well, you're here.
You did it. I'm proud of you.
Can you hold this to show? Yeah, this is our mess. Now we have to kind of clean this all up.
What was it?
Baking soda, vinegar at first, and then we started adding, and then we added dish soap.
Huh.
And then we added food coloring.
Good boy.
And then we added activator. And that just made it even bigger.
Okay, say goodbye.
Wait, no.
We gotta get going, okay?
Goodbye. There's our sweet Lola.
Oh, do you have something there, Lola? Let's see. Something there, sweet Lola's.
Now we're going back to the trampoline. Yeah, that's our mess.
Hey, Summer.
Yeah?
Madison.
Yeah?
It's time to get going, okay?
Okay.
It's time to clean up, so bring your stuff in over there.
No. Bye. Someone can get my shoes.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
I fell. You fell.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and someone with me. You went too far.
Yeah, I think we did go too far. Let's
Let's pretend we.
pretend that never happened. I'm gonna go check out what my dad's doing. What are you doing?
Yeah, don't step over in this mess, okay?
Okay.
So we don't drag it into the house.
Sounds
I'll get
good.
this part. You girls stay out, stay out, stay.
Okay.
Okay, go inside and start cleaning up and get ready to go. Okay?
Okay. Hi, Mom.
Hi, so was it fun?
Yes. What is this?
It's a few French fries. Madison, you can have a few, but you're going home to eat your dinner, so don't eat too many, okay? Summer, you're just about to eat your dinner soon, okay? So don't eat too many.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, that was about to dry out. You forgot the lid. But it's not dry. Come on, Simone. Is that the stuff you gave me is in here?
Yeah. Oh yeah, and you can keep that clay sculpture too.
No, I gave it to you.
You sure?
Yeah, because my sister's going to break it easily. So she's going to think I made it for her more. India, do you have a bag? So we
You can
hide
just
it?
keep this.
Is your parents allowed that?
I don't think so. Can you? Oh.
Wait, let's see if we can. Thanks.
We are. Here, can keep that yarn.
I was trying to keep the basket. Wait, just bring it.
No. You can play with it next time, okay?
Yeah. Do you got everything? Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Bye. Bye, Sammy.
Bye.
Okay, end the
But I'm
video.
going with you.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
So we'll record in the car. This is a 11-minute long video so far.
I feel like we made the longest video in our lives.
Yeah, probably in our lives, but not in YouTube history. Excuse me. Squish me. Hey.
Stop.
What?
Ready? Come on, Simon. We're going.
All right, this is it. Now it needs to go and bake in the fridge.
We're going. I'm going to a portal, okay, Simon?
Okay.
Here we go. We're going in the portal.
Okay. All done. Did you clean up out there? Ooh. You gotta go clean up out there. Okay.
My dad said he would get it.
Oh, he did? Alright.
Yeah,
Hey.
don't use the portal.
What?
The wooden thing with trapped in the fence. So we have to use front door. AK a boring portal. So you step in, boom, you're in. You gotta take a long way.
That was the first portal. This would be the second portal.
True, wait, what if we're not taking? Hey!
Okay, just 1 second. I'm just giving the chicken some grain.
Okay, we're gonna wait in the car.
Here, why don't you girls do it?
Okay, put your stuff in the car. We're coming!
There you go. Why don't you give the chicken some grain and then we'll get going. I'm gonna get changed real quick. And then we'll go, okay? No, I
Got
am.
it.
That's a good.
Make sure you get that knucklehead in.
Okay, so this is just our part of our life with the chickens. This is just part of the life with our chickens. So basically what we do right now is we have all the chickens here
Okay.
and we
Can I throw it on the ground?
and you're just gonna throw it on the ground and watch them eat. Is that chicken?
I just dropped some.
That's right. Is that knucklehead chicken NBC?
I wanted for great.
Come on.
I'm just making it rain.
So yeah, this is our chickies. I'm gonna go get Lily out. Can you hold this?
I can't.
Okay, I'm gonna get Lily out. What? No, she needs to get out and stretch her legs. Her little chicken feet, legs, whatever you want to call them. Hey, girlie. I know this isn't going to get many views. If you watched it this far, thank you. And please...
Let me see. Hi, Lily. It's a girl. Let's go.
And hit that subscribe button.
Yeah. Hit like, subscribe.
notification bell, and please share to at least 5.
We have a touch chickens. Move, chickens. Back. Get.
For these chickens, please
Hit Lily.
sub and hit that.
Can you just put it down and let her eat?
And while you're at it,
Can
smash
she?
that notification bell and subscribe. And
Can you let the girl? Can you let Lily down? So she can eat. You're just making her watch everyone eat.
and stop. Hit that notification bell. Oh my god. Sorry, this is a really dramatic video. Hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, put your thumb on that notification notification bell.
That is
Okay. Here, this is for real. Someone put your. Someone put.
I'm sorry. We need to put this somewhere.
Someone. Oh my god.
You don't need to say it every day. Stop.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Shh. Someone hit your. Oh my gosh. Someone put. Oh my gosh. Hey! Knock it off! Oh my gosh. NDC! And Lily, knock it off! Knock it off. They were fighting! They were getting on top of one of the blondies. On top and pecking their head. Okay, so shh. I'm gonna walk around. You just go in the car, okay?
Why?
Go in the car. I'm trying to do my and.
Wait, I want to go.
Okay, shh. Okay. Someone put your thumb on that notification bell. And
don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, share, and bye.
And comment and share.
I said all of it, man.
And also like. Don't dislike. Like the video, give it a big thumbs up.
And smash.
And smash that notification bell.
Can we? So which car we're taking? Oh, okay then. Okay, let's go.
Get in the portal. Get in the portal. This is. Oh my gosh, you look so big. Oh.
Good girl. You don't need to go back there and smother them with kisses. Yes,
Can
I know you love
we, end the video and watch it?
No.